Hello you guys, it is Zachary, and today we just wanted to talk a little bit about our views on our new video, I Sneeze. I did that video and people thought it was so funny they wanted to watch it. Now we have 37 views on that video. Now I just wanted to talk a little bit about it. Do you guys like that video or not? It's kind of funny to me. So make sure you subscribe more to our other videos like Star Baker or Star Baker 2 or Crocodilioma, whatever. And make sure to do more on I Sneeze, okay? Thanks.